We have to hit pass. So are we going home tomorrow? Are we going home tomorrow? Pick up if you agree. There you go. Say hi everyone.